Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to check restrictions on Facebook. We start by opening Facebook and entering our profile. After that, click on the 3 options points and then click on Profile Status. Here, if we look at account status, we will see that we are informed whether or not we have restrictions. We can click on it to consult more details about the status of our account and see if we have any type of restriction. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.